How to find profile ID in ExpertOption. Hi everyone, welcome back to Finance and Crypto Guide. If you are an ExpertOption and need to find your profile ID, then first of all, launch the ExpertOption application open and log into your account. You may also visit the ExpertOption website and sign in. Once you're signed in, go to the top left corner and tap on the profile icon to open up this profile section. Inside profile, you will see your profile ID at the bottom. Just tap on it to copy your profile ID. It is a long string of numbers which is usually 9 digits long. So there you have successfully found your profile ID in ExpertOption. Keep your profile ID handy whenever you need account-related support or verification. You can paste or save your ID wherever you need it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.